What is PNR? PNR meaning and life cycle. A passenger name record, also called a booking file, is a digital document with details of the itinerary for a passenger or a group of passengers traveling together. It's an essential part of the flight booking process that precedes and enables ticketing. PNR as a part of the flight booking process. Here's the step-by-step process. First, we have data collection or passenger data. The essential trip data is gathered when an individual passenger or organization books a flight via a travel retailer, a carrier's website, online travel agency or OTA, travel management company or TMC, tour operator or other channels. Second, data submission to the CRS. The reservation data is transmitted to the Airline Central Reservation System or CRS. Most airlines don't run their own CRS. Instead, they host inventory and manage bookings on one of the major global distribution system or GDS. Amadeus, Sabre, or Travelport, which function as data warehouses and aggregators. You may learn about the main GDS from our dedicated video. Third, we have initial PNR generation. A carrier's operator or authorized travel agent logs into the CRS or GDS to build a PNR file with 5 mandatory elements. Fourth, booking reference or PNR code assignment. The system generates a booking reference, a unique alphabetic or alphanumeric code assigned to the PNR file. It serves as digital address of the document in the airline's database. Fifth, booking confirmation. The travel retailer sends an email with the PNR code or booking reference to the passenger as reservation confirmation. The airline ticket will be issued only after the passenger pays the fare. 6. Updates and addition of new details. If required, the agent or operator adds new data elements or makes changes to the record. Generally, the PNR is updated every time the reservation information is altered. And the last, 7th, archiving. When the trip ends, the PNR is automatically archived. Usually, it happens within 1 to 5 days after the final segment of the itinerary is completed.
Why airlines need super PNRs? The trip may contain multiple flights operated by different carriers, let alone car rentals, hotel reservation, and other travel services. In this case, a CRS receiving a reservation request lacks data to cover all segments of the itinerary. In this problem, there is a solution. The initial CRS creates a super PNR or the master itinerary and sends copies to provider involved in the multi-leg flight. Each carrier manages its portion of the trip and saves the updated document in its database, identifying it with a separate record locator. Eventually, all participants send record locators back to the super PNR holder, connecting documents related to a particular itinerary and ensuring the exchange of the updates. As a result, the same trip can get several PNR numbers in different reservation systems. A passenger receives a booking reference to the super PNR that combines all parts of the trip. Now that we've addressed key technical details and terms, let's proceed to the most essential thing about the PNRs, their major data elements. Phone. Either a traveler or travel agent to able contact. Received from field indicating the last person who made changes in the PNR. Typically a passenger or a travel agent. Next is the itinerary. Itinerary that must include at least one segment of the journey. Name of a passenger or passengers, containing the full first and last name. The middle name is not required. And ticketing. Ticketing specifying how and when a ticket is to be issued. Secure Flight Passengers Data and Advanced Passenger Information System. In 2009, the U.S. Transportation Security Administration implemented the Secure Flight Program to screen passengers before they board aircraft flying to, from, and over the United States. Under the mandate, PNRs of travelers making of the land of liberty must contain secure flight passenger data, such as the full name with the middle name or initial if it appears on the ID card, passport, driver's license, and other valid identity document with the photo, date of birth, gender, and address number issued by the TSA to facilitate identity checks. This unique number is particularly important if a passenger has a common name shared by many people or if she or he has already been misidentified in the past when crossing US borders.